Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I'm Leo, and I'm so happy you're here. And joining me today is my lovely guest, Anna. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. It's great to be back. And I love today's topic because it's something that everyone in the world experiences.
Exactly. So, let me ask you, Anna, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear this sound?
Sound makes me feel calm. It's peaceful and cozy.
Right? Today, we're talking about something that changes our mood, our plans, and sometimes even our clothes. We're talking about rainy days.
Yes, rainy days are full of feelings, sometimes cozy, sometimes lazy, and sometimes just funny and messy.
Absolutely. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's talk about rain, how it makes us feel, what we do when it rains, and a few funny stories too. So, Anna, tell me, how do rainy days make you feel?
It depends. When it rains softly, I feel calm and peaceful. I like to sit by the window, hold a cup of tea, and just listen to the sound of the rain.
That sounds perfect. There's something relaxing about light rain, especially when you're warm and dry inside.
Exactly. That's the word, cozy. Cozy means warm, safe, and comfortable, especially when it's cold or wet outside.
I love that feeling too. But not every rainy day is cozy, right?
Oh, true. Sometimes when the sky is gray all day and there's no sunshine, I start to feel a little gloomy.
Gloomy. That's a great word. It means a little sad or tired because the weather feels heavy and dark.
Yes, exactly. And after many days of rain, I feel bored and lazy.
Same here. All I want is to lie on the sofa and do nothing.
But sometimes rain feels romantic too.
Oh, I know that feeling. When the rain is soft and slow and you're listening to music, it feels emotional, even poetic.
Yes, like in the movies. And sometimes rain makes me feel nostalgic.
Nostalgic. That means thinking about old memories, right?
Exactly. When I smell the rain on the ground, I remember being a kid, jumping in puddles and laughing with my friends.
Aw, that's such a sweet memory.
So, yes, rainy days can feel calm, lazy, gloomy, romantic, or nostalgic, all in one day.
Okay, so we know how rain makes us feel, but what do you actually do on a rainy day, Anna?
The first thing I do is look outside and check the rain. Is it light rain or heavy rain?
Yes, I do that too. I always ask myself, do I need an umbrella or can I risk it?
If it's just a light drizzle, I sometimes go out for a walk. It feels nice and fresh.
That's brave. If it's a heavy downpour, I'm staying home.
Me too. When the rain is strong, I like to do indoor activities.
Like what?
I watch a movie or I bake something sweet, maybe cookies or banana bread.
Yum! That sounds amazing. I usually make a hot drink, coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, and sit by the window, just watching the rain.
Yes, that's the best. Sometimes I read a book or listen to soft music, maybe jazz.
The sound of jazz and rain, perfect combination.
It really is. And sometimes I write in my journal. Writing about your feelings on a rainy day feels so nice.
That's a great idea. But sometimes we can't stay home, right?
Yes, that's true. Sometimes we have to go to work, run errands, or go shopping even in the rain.
Then it's umbrella time. And don't forget a raincoat or waterproof jacket.
And boots. Wet socks are the worst.
Yes, wet socks are pure torture.
Still, sometimes if the rain is soft and warm, I like to walk without an umbrella. Just feel the raindrops on my face.
Wow, you're a true rain lover. I think kids love the rain the most.
Oh, definitely. They jump in puddles, splash water, and make paper boats to float on the street.
That brings back memories. Rainy days really are full of little adventures. Okay, Anna, be honest. Have you ever been caught in the rain without an umbrella?
Yes, many times. One time, I waited for the bus, and it started raining heavily. No shelter, nothing.
Oh no. How long did you wait?
About 20 minutes. When the bus came, I was soaked from head to toe.
That's classic. It happened to me once before a meeting. I didn't bring an umbrella because the morning was sunny.
Big mistake.
Huge mistake. Halfway to the office, a heavy downpour started. I arrived totally wet. Even my papers were ruined.
Oh no, that's so embarrassing.
Everyone looked at me like, "Did you swim here?"
That's a great line. Yes, rain can surprise you anytime.
It really can. But honestly, those little moments become funny stories later.
That's true. Rain can be messy, but also kind of magical.
So today, we talked about rainy days, how they make us feel, what we do, and even a few funny stories.
Yes, we learned new words like cozy, gloomy, nostalgic, and phrases like caught in the rain and heavy downpour.
Exactly. Now it's your turn, listeners. What do you do on a rainy day?
Do you stay inside with a book, or do you go out with your umbrella?
Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to practice speaking. Say 3 sentences out loud about your last rainy day.
For example, yesterday, it rained a lot. I stayed home and watched a movie. I drank hot chocolate.
Perfect. And one last tip. Next time it rains, don't be sad. Enjoy it. The rain is just the world taking a deep breath.
Aw, that's beautiful, Leo.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for listening. Stay cozy, stay dry, and keep learning English.
See you next time, my friends. And if it's raining where you are, maybe grab a tea and listen to this episode again.
Bye for now.